How to create virtual cards in Revolut app. Welcome! In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps on how to create virtual cards in the Revolut app. Virtual cards are a secure and convenient way to manage your online spending. Start by opening the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in to your account to access your dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Cards tab at the bottom menu. This is where all your active and available cards are managed. Next, tap the plus sign or Add Card button. This will allow you to add a new card to your account. From the card options available, select Virtual Card. This option is typically used for online purchases and provides added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your request. Once confirmed, your virtual card will be instantly created and ready to use. You can now use your virtual card for online transaction. You can also manage the card settings, such as limits or freezing it, directly from the app.